The world of technology service providers is undergoing a significant transformation. In the past, the expectations that customers had for their technology service providers was pretty straightforward. Suppliers were expected to provide high-quality service according to the terms in their contracts. They had to address the customer's technical problems, troubleshoot software bugs, maintain output levels of the equipment, all very much focused on the customer's device. And of course, they were expected to respond quickly when the customer called. But all of this is changing rapidly and dramatically. Simply satisfying customers is no longer enough. Delivering service on time and at agreed service levels, addressing technical problems, and providing what the customer asks for is still important, but customers want more. Customers want their service suppliers to help them address their urgent business issues and deliver real business outcomes. In short, they need suppliers to become total customer focused. But what exactly is the difference between satisfying customers and being total customer focused? And what does it take for you to become total customer focused? Well, ultimately, it comes down to three capabilities that your service people must have in order to move the relationship from one based on satisfying the customer to one based on total customer focus. Well, first, your people need the ability to understand not only what the customer says they need, but what the customer really needs. Think of it like an iceberg. Above the waterline are all those technical issues which are visible to you and your customer. But what's unseen are all of those non-technical problems that your customer is struggling with. Things like their own internal pressures, their lack of resources, or at a deeper level, things like fears and lack of confidence. And just like an iceberg, the danger for you and your customer is thinking that a problem is solved because you fixed the above the waterline issues. Second, total customer focused people don't wait for the company to ask for something. They anticipate and take actions proactively to provide what the customer really needs. And third, total customer focused people know how to achieve a balance that meets the real needs of the customer and provides solutions that are both reasonable and possible for the supplier. It's pretty obvious how your customers benefit when you, the supplier, makes the shift from customer satisfaction to total customer focus. But what's the benefit to you? How does becoming total customer focused deliver tangible business results to your organization? Well, we've helped thousands of customer support people to make the shift to becoming total customer focused. And we've collected cases from them that have documented the impact of total customer focus in three main areas. First is revenue. By proactively identifying and addressing your customers' challenges almost every day, your service people are often able to drive new revenue from upgrades and purchases of new equipment and software, to expanded projects and service contracts, to increased long-term service agreements, and all without increasing your cost of sales. Second is cost avoidance. Parts and service giveaways drop significantly when your service people are able to get to balanced outcomes directly with your customers, rather than saying no only to have the customer escalate unreasonable demands for these freebies. And third is time. Think of the thousands of hours of rework and lost time on things like escalations, installations, and troubleshooting. How much of this lost productivity for you and your customer is attributable to poor communication, not understanding the customer's real issues, or simply an inability to ask effective, open questions at the right moment? As a result of being total customer focused, you and your customer feel good about doing business together in every interaction. So move the relationship with your customer. Stop being only a good supplier and adopt a total customer-focused approach by addressing your customers' real problems and strengthening your relationships with them. Proactively take the lead in the relationship. positively impress your customer, and create trust. And finally, strive for balanced outcomes that will benefit both you and your customer in a long-lasting and rewarding relationship. To learn more about how Global Partners has helped technology industry leaders to become total customer focused, contact me directly or visit our website at www.globalpartnerstraining.com.